What? Kelra is out of Onyx Philippines. You know what time it is. Hands in. Pre, para tayong binato ng curveball. Alam mo yung mga chismis na si Super Prince daw at si King Kong daw ang aalis at lilipat. Lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat, si Kelra pala yung aalis. Oh my God! Ito sobrang pinagtataka ko, min. Kasi 'di ba nagpunta ako sa kasal ni Coach Wynat, nag-host ako doon. Again, congratulations kina Coach Wynat. Pero parang wala naman silang nasasabi sa akin na anything. I mean, siguro naka-NDA sila or something like that. Pero dito parang nagulat talaga ako. Like, I wonder what the meeting was like between Kelra and Onyx Philippines and what led to this decision. Kasi sigurado ko kahit sino, kahit yung Onyx Philippines, ayaw nilang pakawalan to si Kelra dahil isa to sa mga pinakamalulupit na manlalaro. Kung hindi ito ang pinakamalupit na gold laner na nakita natin sa kasaysayan ng MLBB. At ngayon, yung mga bali-balita na posibleng siya ang maging susunod na import na ipapadala natin sa Indonesia, Indo's gonna be a super threat for sure. Kasi aside from Kyrie, meron silang big time superstar that can actually carry games. And they're representing Indo now. But that's the thing though. Is he going there? Or bigla-bigla ba all of a sudden may nahanap na siyang panibagong team dito sa Pilipinas that compensates him better, gives a better opportunity for his family dahil hindi naman natin maitatanggi na family man na si Kelra. Na-achieve na niya yung championship na gusto niya with MSC, MPL, and M-Series. So technically, isa na to sa mga tao na wala nang kailangan patunayan. And maybe the reason why he looked for his next chapter was because he wanted to provide a lot more for his family in a better manner. Which siguro Onyx PH couldn't give him. And an offer from another team was probably too good to pass up. Pero ang tanong ay kung dito ba yun sa Pilipinas? Who is willing to give him that much amount of money that he wants? At kaya ba yun ng mga Filipino teams? Because I'm sure as hell that kaya yun ng Indo teams. But with him leaving his family for a while, can he do that? Kaya niya ba yun? Or magsistay ba siya dito sa Pilipinas pero sinong kumuha sa kanya? I don't even know.